All right, this is cabin 12375. It is a category 8K extended balcony cabin on Carnival Jubilee. As you come into the room, you'll note the bed is at the front. One thing you'll see when I finish this video, that means scooters are not allowed in the room, although it does not give you that warning when you book. So be aware of that fact. You see that little bedside light there had a USB port underneath it, and there is a TV for you right there. Here is a couch at the back of the room. Just because it has a handle does not mean it is a sofa bed. Just be aware of that. And then on the opposite side, another night light with a USB port underneath it, and you'll see a little tray underneath that as well. Here is your main work getting ready area. Extra power outlets there, all sorts of power there. And then you have some extra shelving on the walls, which always comes in handy. Some extra drawers here. There's your hairdryer. Note on this ottoman, if you lift the lid up, there's some extra storage space underneath that. But don't forget to check it when you leave. Here is your fridge. And let's have a look at the balcony. Again, this is an extended balcony, category 8K. You see you've got a chaise lounge there, a couple of chairs and a table. Note that it looks like it's open to the next cabin. That is just temporary. They will fix that before the ship leaves. But if you have people you know in either the cabin to the right or the left, you can request those to be removed and kept off the whole cruise, so they have access. You can make it one large balcony. So that will be put away or put back before the ship leaves. But for now, that's a good way of showing you how it would look if you had the partition removed. Again, you'd have to request your room steward to do that. Nice solid handle doors. Decent sized balcony. Now they have night lights by the sofa as well, but note they do not have a USB port on those. So again, that bed at the front means no scooters are allowed in the room. It's almost like they alternate one room to the next. One time the bed is at the front, one time the bed is near the window. Here is your bathroom. It's like they interlock. Plenty of mirrors, as you can see. There's your shower with a glass door. There's a footrest for the ladies. If you are shaving, I am told to say that. Do note that this glass door opens in to out, so half of the bathroom area will be blocked by the door. So if there's more than one person in there, it can be a little bit crowded. Here is your storage area, the first couple here. Note that those shelves can be lifted up to make more hanging space or lowered to make more shelving space. It is up to you. We just move this door. The door stop was on. And here is the second set. And there is your safe coming into view right there. There's some extra basket shelving at the bottom, and there's even more shelving at the very bottom of that. So plenty of shelving in these rooms. So there you go. That is cabin 12375, an extended balcony. It's not an aft balcony, it's on the middle there, as you can see, circled on the top, midship, deck 12. And this is what is in the cabin. I need you to note at the bottom it says no scooter. Freeze and read the rest of it, but it is important you know that. I don't know how they let you know. I don't think it shows when you actually book the cabin, but everyone where their bed is at the front, they are not allowing scooters in, basically because there's no room. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget, subscribe, hit that bell, and you'll get notifications when new videos come out. And don't forget, click on the links to the left and right of me. You can watch playlists, new video suggestions, and more. Any questions? Email me, cruisingsuitguy@gmail.com. And don't forget, I'm a travel agent. Email for help.